Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shotcut for free audio video syncing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Shotcut for free audio video syncing, first, download the Shotcut application from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Shotcut on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the Shotcut application. When Shotcut opens, you will see the main interface with several options. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. Enter a name for your project and choose the desired video mode from the drop-down menu. Click Start to open the new project workspace. Next, import your video and audio files by dragging them into the timeline area or using the Open File option in the menu. After importing, ensure that both your video and audio files are properly aligned in the timeline. If they are out of sync, adjust the audio track by clicking and dragging it along the timeline until it matches the video. To fine-tune the audio sync, use the playback controls to test the synchronization. If necessary, use the split tool to cut the audio or video clips for precise adjustments. Once satisfied with the sync, you can export your project by clicking on Export in the upper right corner. Select your preferred export settings, including video format and quality. Finally, click on the Export File button to save your synced audio and video. Your project will render, and you will receive a notification once the export is complete. You are now ready to enjoy your perfectly synced audio and video using Shotcut. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.